The full form of IH in Samsung portal is in home. So this particular type of call is being generated in the system to attend the complaints of the customer, in which the machine needs spare requirement or some major work as gas charging or any kind of technical job which is being required to be carried out. If you want to work an IH call, you need to go to the option number 4, which is called as business. Click on business. You will see some menu options being showed at the left side of the screen. Out of those menu, you need to go to service tracking, the fourth option. Under service tracking, you need to go to service order monitoring bracket by status. Once you click on that, they will ask you a few questions as service type and all the other information of your account. So we will go to service type, we will select IH option and then click on search button. With this help, this will show me all the number of IH calls which is been assigned to my service center. So you'll see the calls lying in the first slab is called as assigned to service center. So you need to go and click on the number of calls. Once you click on that, they'll show you the list of calls which is open in your particular service center.